Hi, fifth grade. We're going to go over the solutions for grammar lesson 83. You need your assignment, you need something to correct with, and you need your book. Let's get started. Number 1 is bliss. Number 2 is culprit. Number 3 is guide. Number 4 is dauntless. Number 5 is similar. Number 6 is collective. Number 7 is nominative. Number 8 is theirs, T-H-E-I-R-S. Number 9 is fewer. Number 10 is third singular. Number 11 is who. Number 12 is us. Number 13 is. Number 14, it's. Number 15, wherever. Number 16, plank. Number 17, looking up, comma, Dana smiled. Number 18, grandchildren. Number 19, we're going to combine the two sentences using an appositive. The boll weevil, comma, an insect with a long snout, comma, ruined cotton crops in the South. Number 20 is both. Number 21 is subject. Number 22, independent. Number 23, we're going to rewrite the sentence, adding periods, commas, capital letters, and quotation marks. So I'm going to try this a little bit differently. We're going to see if this works out. Capital Mrs. Capital Bright, comma, comma, P, period, I, period, comma, said, comma, quote, capital bad check cannot escape, comma, for capital I, have his name, comma, address, comma, and fingerprints, period, quotation mark. Number 24 is throwing. You have to add ing. B is threw, T-H-R-E-W. C is has thrown, T-H-R-O-W-N. Number 25, her. Number 26, you need to capitalize I, fun, A, fishing, B, surfing. You need to have a period after I, A, B. Number 27, we're going to rewrite the following letter, adding periods, commas, and capital letters as needed. So we're going to try it again with this new system. Capital Dear, capital Mrs., period, bright, comma, capital bright, comma, capital P, period, capital I, period, comma. Capital O, obviously. Capital B, capital O, obviously, comma. Capital B, bad check. Does not live at 12, capital W, period, capital P, palm, capital A, avenue, comma, capital J, Juneau, comma, capital A, Alaska, period. Capital T, that place does not exist, period. Capital S, sincerely, comma, capital O, officer, capital V, valiant. 28, we need to diagram the simple subject and simple predicate of each clause in the following compound sentence. Along came the canines, but they were too late, for the plane had left earlier. There are 3 clauses in this sentence. Canines came, they were, plane had left. It should look like this. We need to diagram sentences 29 and 30. Sentence 29, Whom should the intrepid Officer Valiant arrest? Your diagram should look like this. Officer Valiant is the subject of the sentence. Officer Valiant is limited with the adjective the and described with the adjective intrepid. The predicate is should arrest. The direct object is whom. Whom is capitalized in our sentence, so it needs to be capitalized in our diagram. So this is what your diagram should look like for sentence 29. Sentence 30, bad check, a culpable coward, has written his nephew 7 bad checks. Your diagram should look like this. There we go. Your diagram should look like this. Bad check is the subject. The appositive, a culpable coward, follows bad check. Coward is the main part of the appositive. A and culpable are adjectives that modify coward, so they are diagrammed underneath. The predicate is has written. The direct object is checks. The indirect object, diagrammed here underneath the verb, is his nephew. The checks are modified by the limiting adjective 7 and the descriptive adjective bad. This is what your diagram should look like. All right. Those are the solutions for lesson 83. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you here later.